Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to disable or enable restricted mode on YouTube in 2025. So, restricted mode helps filter out potentially mature content on YouTube. It's useful for parental controls or workplaces but can sometimes block videos unnecessarily. So, to disable or enable restricted mode on your mobile phone, what you have to do is, first of all, open YouTube on your mobile phone. Now, you will have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now this will take you to this page where you will see the settings icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, when you click on this settings icon, it will show up this page. Now, from this page, you'll have to click on this option that says General. When you click on General, it will show up this page that has these options. So you have the options for app language, playback and feeds, location, and just below location, you can see there is a restricted mode. So, when you toggle this switch on after restricted mode, it will help you to hide potentially mature videos, and no filter is 100% accurate. So, the setting only applies to this app on this device. That means only on YouTube. So, if you want to enter into restricted mode, you'll have to toggle the switch on. If you want to turn or disable the restricted mode, you'll have to toggle this switch off. Now, after you toggle this switch on, you'll have to simply turn off your YouTube and restart it again. And this will instantly apply restricted mode to your YouTube. Now, you can also click on your profile icon again, click on settings, choose general. Now, when you turn this button off, this will turn the restricted mode off and that will instantly disable it. So that's it. Now you know how to turn restricted mode on or off in 2025. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.